Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to do a tutorial of The Grave It Can't Hold Me. I did this song yesterday and I just thought it'd be great to share it with you. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I want to do this in the key of B flat, and pretty much the verses and choruses are the exact same pattern. You may just play them a slightly different or with a different feel. Anyway, the intro was da da ba 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 ba, C minor to F, or B, C minor to B flat over F, ba 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 ba. So resolve that B flat over F the second time to the F to B flat. And so we go, I may not be living when Jesus returns back to this world to call us home. But if I am sleeping beneath the cold clay, I'll rise up in power that judgment day. For the grave it can't hold me, I shall come out with a voice of triumph. I'll rise up and shout, oh grave, where's the victory? Death, where's thy sting? I'll shout it so loud the heavens will ring. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Look at some of the other ones I've got. Subscribe to this channel. And guys, as always, God bless.